Hey, g'day, Trade Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Thursday, the 7th of March. Big day yesterday. We're in some longs, no shorts, and just looking at the current range we're in. If you look at the chart, we pretty much defined our main areas. I'm looking for small time frame trades just to keep busy. It's obviously that there's been rejection. So this is going to be a resistance, a strong resistance, and also the shorts have come in around here. Therefore, that's the liquidity space. So if we grab the liquidity, it's likely to pull down again. And we'll look for failure auction or swing failure patterns. And this is the line obtained pretty much from this. You can see how it's lined up well with the fixed volume tool. If you go further on the bigger picture, I have a scenario that I spoke about. I can't recall when. And this was expected. Either we thought here, you know what, it did happen, like 2020, really. That's how much percentage. Okay, 5%, not much, or yeah, 5% pre all-time high. In 220, it dropped a fair bit, broke up, and when it did touch the top in 220, it dropped only less, I suppose, to what we expected. So here was a liquidity grab from that, hit the all-time high. I thought there might be a case where it might just go slightly higher with there was liquidity space on the heat map. That didn't happen, and expect that. But this was definitely a level that I was interested in here. Sorry, here. Um, but this was a liquidity grab. So all those longs along here, all that liquidity was taken out. And I think it was like 1 billion or whatever it was. So it was high in leverage. And high leverage towards all-time high is a rookie mistake. I didn't leverage high. If it comes back down, this is where I'm looking for a real leverage high to go back up. So it's a shakeout stage. We might not get that. What scenario do I have in mind? There's a few scenarios, as you can see with my chart. That is a range, small time range with the liquidity. If it drops further down, like it doesn't hold here, then I'm looking for this level of support, and it takes that liquidity out, and that could be another a level to leverage in. I'm hoping it goes down more, but it might not. There is that small possibility that we have this AB equals CD. That Bitcoin is well known to doing that. So if we do that slightly a bit more, take it to all to the wick, it might not happen. Most likely it won't happen. That is another level I was looking at. That's a second level with liquidity just below that. So that's taken that. If we go below that, it's going to be really, really good because there's a lot of volume that went in there for liquidity. And so they might push it down a bit more before going back up. But this is unlikely to happen. Probably look at it from a harmonics perspective. Give me a sec. Let's just chuck that indicator on, harmonic. This is a great tool. So you can see, if you look carefully, what it did was he called out this top with this harmonic from all the way down. One, two. The other one is pointing all the way up there to 72K. The other harmonic, based on, we have some levels. We've got that harmonic there. We've got that, which makes sense. And you've got the three stripes. So this level is probably a good level, and it does fit our target in terms of liquidity, which is below that. So it's like an M. let's see, you get this. You can get that harmonic, and you can get the final harmonic, which is same target, roughly there, and there. Right, let's turn that off. Got that target. And what was that? That's a Gartley pattern with the dynamics. And the other one is a bat pattern. So this one is Gartley. And the other one is a bat. I'm not saying which one's going to play out, but they both make sense in terms of liquidity. So we might just wait for that. If it plays out, if it gets those targets, then we play it. It makes sense. Here is where we say it's support. So the Gartley pattern is there. That looks like a double top. However, it's very deceptive because you can easily just range like that, get the liquidity, and just keep going, and eventually look for formation. There is nothing that really stands out at this point. Maybe this might play out, give or take a bit. We'll see. We'll see how that plays out. If it drops them further down, then I'll look at this pattern and see if that makes any sense. But at the moment, there's not much besides liquidity and the harmonics. I'm going to leave that, guys. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.